Listen, I know some of you may be on the fence as to whether or not you want to cop this shoe. I will say this though, the leather quality on here is pretty good, but you can have them at an under retail price if you're patient like I was. Let's talk about them. What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis to the Way It Kicks channel, back again with an unboxing for you today. And I want to give a special shout out to everybody who tapped in with myself and my guy Mike of Sneakerhead on a Budget as we went live through YouTube to try to cop the Jordan 1 Low trophy rooms. Now, both of us were unsuccessful, not only on that shoe, but the Plum Dunks as well that dropped. Now, there's supposed to be 80-some thousand pairs with the Plum Dunks, 30-some thousand pairs of the Jordan 1 trophy room lows. But even though we took L's personally, we did have two people technically hit through the stream. My guy, Mr. Think I'm Possible, his brother-in-law hit for him out of New York there, so he'll be able to get a pair and give us a review. And then my guy's wife actually hit on a pair in her size. I thought she went for a pair for him when he told me that she got them, but she wanted them for herself. Now, hopefully she'll let me have them for a little bit to go ahead and bring you the in-hand review. So I'm gonna cross my fingers on that, and hopefully she's kind enough to do so. But moving on, just want to remind you guys, tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we'll be doing the live sneaker chat with my guy, Mr. Think I'm Possible, Jay Elevate, and Purple Haze. And we have a plethora of topics to definitely get into. Tonight's show is going to be one for the books indeed. But we're here to get into what's in this box right here. And the label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Green Glow Wolf Gray. And let me tell you something right now. The leather quality, yeah, I'm not kidding about that. The leather quality on here are really nice. And I like the way this box is, the black with the elephant print, and something about this green glow Jumpman, like it just kind of stands out, you know what I mean? But let me go ahead and open this up. You got your tissue paper there, which is elephant print, but we're here to actually talk about the shoes, and I like the way that these came out. I mean, obviously, looking at them, they look just like a pair of black cements. All you gotta do is remove a bunch of the green glow that's on here and basically replace it with red, and you got yourself a pair of black cement 3s. Now, I will say this, I'm not sure what the 2024 black cement 3s that we're getting later on this year are gonna actually look like, but I'm guessing with the way these are, this is pretty much what we can expect quality wise. Now, on my pair, in looking at them, the elephant print actually came out pretty good on both of them, but that is somewhat the danger of when you order online. You can't do the QC until you actually get them in your hands here at home. Now, again, like I said, I got pretty good match pair there when it comes to the elephant print, so I got no complaints as far as the QC is concerned. But you know, the other thing is with this shoe sitting in as many places as it is, you got an opportunity to go in store, check them out. If you don't like the way the pair looks, ask for a different one and see maybe if you can mix and match a left and a right out of a different box to get a perfect pair that you believe you actually want to purchase. If you remember those Craft Ivory 3s, they went on sale as well, as much as people were feeling those. But they also released at somewhat of a bad time, right? There were a few other sneakers that people were really going after, like the Bread 4s. And these here, there's not another shoe per se that a lot of people are trying to cop like that. Although the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Adidas Shell Toes released today, and them things are flying like hotcakes. I was lucky enough to be able to secure myself a pair, so I'm just hoping to get that shipping notification there from Adidas very soon and bring you an in-hand review of an Adidas shoe for the first time here on the channel. And I was a big Ninja Turtles fan, guys, so let me tell you something right now. I definitely needed to get those. But these here in particular, man, you got the all black leathers all the way around. You got green glow here in the lace holes and at the top of the lace holes as well. Taking a look at that gray suede tongue, you got the green glow Jumpman there. On the back of the heel, you also got the green glow Jumpman with Air written under it. Taking a look here at the midsole, you got black and white there, and you got some gray coming through in the toe area. But taking a look here at the outsole, you do have some black here, some gray. You got Jordan written there in green glow, and on the inside here, you have gray sock liner, but that insole foot pad is green glow green, and you got the black Jumpman, and then obviously here behind the tongue they also gave it some green glow. So these here, you could go with a few different types of lace swaps. You could probably go gray, you could probably get green glow itself laces. I know they have them out there. Trying to think of anything else. That's probably it, right? I mean, maybe you could do white. I'm not sure how white would actually look with these, or I know they have a combination of like white and green glow or black and green glow laces out there, you know, the two-tone type laces. That's something else you could think about throwing in here as well. But I want to know what your overall thoughts and opinions are on this sneaker itself. Now, they do look awfully similar to the black cement 3s that I have right here, and let me go ahead and pull them out for you. Here you go, guys, black cement 3s there, and yeah, they're awfully close. And man, what is this on the bottom of my shoe? Hold up. Something stuck here. Oh man, I didn't even realize that. But here you go, guys. Right now, obviously this is a 2014. This is a 2024 pair, and this is a 2018 pair. And you know, they did things different back then. Obviously they made the toe area more slim, more reminiscent of an 88 pair, and that came from the white cement 3 reimagines that we had gotten. So Jordan Brand changed it up now to where they're pretty much making all Jordan 3s from that pair on more like this. So you're not really going to see the thick elephant print like you do have here on the 2018 pair. But let me know what you guys think overall on this shoe here. Again, retail was $200. I got these at $30 under retail at $170. And again, you guys will be able to cop these at under retail at some point because they're sitting in a lot of places. But again, overall thoughts and opinions, let me know down there in the comments. In any case, this is Louis, Other Way Your Kicks, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.